For both types of household or professional works, cordless power tools are dominating its sector with their tough, compact, and lightweight aspects. They're taking the place of corded tools with advanced technologies and features. Most professionals now prefer cordless tools instead of conventional ones because of their superior handiness and portability. So in today's video, we're going to show you the 10 best cordless power tools, which will make your job trouble-free and simple to do. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
In order to heat or thaw your definite objects, you must keep the Worxite cordless heat gun in your toolbox, which is a perfectly designed tool to add betterment to your heat-related jobs. This cordless heat gun can create up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit of maximum output temperature in just 10 seconds, so that you'll be able to do any kind of heating action pretty quickly. Besides, it has 4 nozzle attachments that make it capable of shrink wrapping, vinyl wrap, paint stripping, and many more heating actions. Equipped with a 4.0 amp battery, this portable heat gun offers you a standard level of runtime. Moreover, this cordless heat gun has a compact body with a non-slip rubber handle, which makes it much more convenient for users with limited space. To summarize, if your job site demands heat-related jobs, then this portable cordless heat gun can meet your satisfaction. While doing wood cabinetry or other related tasks, a woodworking router is an alternative tool that should be kept in your toolbox. Get introduced to the DEWALT DCW600B, a compact cordless router that brings more beneficial impacts to your woodworking. With a 20-volt lithium-ion battery and soft-start brushless motor, this router speeds between 16,000 and 25,500 RPM, which allows you to have precision and quick routing on your surfaces. This cordless router has a depth adjustment ring that lets you adjust the height according to your preferences. Additionally, it comes with a variable speed dial so that you can match and maintain the speed of the router for individual applications. It also features a dual LED light that helps you illuminate the work surface and electronic braking technology to safely shut off the motor. Overall, the DEWALT DCW600B is such a compact, lightweight, and quality tool that every woodworker should have in their checklist. BLACK+DECKER have been dominating the field of quality power tools for a long time. Meet its LDX120C, a cordless drill machine that lives up to all your woodworking requirements. Coming with a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, this cordless drill provides up to 18 months of battery life, which is making it upper level from others. It has a powerful brushless motor that reaches up to 650 RPM of speed while producing 115 inch-pounds of torque. As a result, you can complete your woodworks flawlessly. Shortly speaking, with a perfect drill in your toolbox, you'll be able to do accurate and effortless jobs, and the BLACK+DECKER LDX120C can be the best collaborator for you. Having trouble while grinding in a tight or confined area? Check out the KIMO cordless grinder, an ultimate tool for flawless grinding with standout features. It comes with 20 pieces of accessories, such as sandpaper, metal cutting wheel, grinding wheel, and more to meet all of your grinding and cutting related needs. Packed with an upgraded 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, it'll give about 57% longer runtime with extra stable and smooth operations. One of the preeminent features of this grinder is the brushless motor with all copper and premium magnets, which makes it capable of peaking 9,000 RPM of maximum speed. As a result, you'll be able to grind metal, cut tile, rebar, and many more. It also features a rubberized and ergonomic 2-position grip handle that increases comfort on the job and gets commodious for professionals. In short, the KIMO cordless grinder outshines due to its high RPM, and it will be a perfect option for any professional metalworker. Quick, easy, and comfortable, bringing the CRAFTSMAN CMCE 500D1. An exemplary oscillating saw that has the V20 cordless system with contemporary features to complete your multiple tasks. It comes with a brushed motor that produces variable speed from 8,000 to 18,000 OPM, which provides you optimal control for your individual operations. Containing 14 pieces of kits with a tool-free universal attachment system. It offers you a multiple tasking working experience and makes accessory change quicker. This oscillating saw has a V20 20-volt lithium-ion battery with high-performance cells. As a result, you'll have sufficient runtime with proper stabilization. Moreover, the built-in LED work and contoured over-molded handle assure you extra comfort and illuminate the low-light areas while operating. In brief, the CRAFTSMAN CMCE 500D1 is a perfect oscillating tool with an unwavering performance that has all qualities to be in your toolbox. Now get your hands on the Bosch GHO 12V 08N, an advanced wood planer that brings easement and lessens fatigue to every carpenter's job. Equipped with an EC brushless motor, this cordless planer can provide you up to 14,500 RPM of speed so that you can have a better and smooth wood edge removal experience. Besides, it can deliver up to 33 feet of planing per battery amp hour with a 2.2-inch planing width and up to 0.08 inches of planing depth. In woods, as a result, you'll be able to do your application uninterrupted. Moreover, this 12-volt Bosch planer features an ergonomic design machined from one aluminum block, which offers you an easy-to-handle, fast and smooth stock removal. In essence, in order to have a well-controlled planer with more robust features, the Bosch GHO 12V 08N has no substitute. Searching for a comfortable and efficient cordless jigsaw? Have a look at this Worx WX543L, an optimum tool that offers you effortless cutting with its up-to-date technologies. With a fine copper motor, which provides a non-load speed of 18,000 RPM, it offers you enough power for tackling any sawing job. Also, the variable speed control helps you to work on various materials. It includes a powerful 1.5 amp hour 20-volt battery so that you can have a long-lasting and user-friendly performance. It comes with an orbital function that improves cutting efficiency and the lightweight that portable structure allows you labor-free operations. Moreover, it has a tool-free blade change system with a comfortable handle design so you'll be able to change blades easily and get a good grasp on it. To sum up, if you're seeking a worthy jigsaw that comes with efficacious qualities, the Worx WX540L is exactly what you need. In order to do proper and effortless sanding, you must have an effective sanding machine in your toolbox. That's why we brought to you the BLACK+DECKER BD-CRO-20C, a sturdy tool with contemporary features. This cordless sander performs at 12,000 OPM of speed, so you can clear away materials like paint, stain, varnish, and much more pretty quickly. With a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, this cordless sander can provide you with a long battery life of up to 18 months. Moreover, it comes with a compact and easy-to-maneuver design, which allows you to do applications with less muscle fatigue and enhanced comfort. To keep your work area cleaner, an easy empty dust bag has been provided with the sander machine. As a result, you'll get enough visibility of your definite surface. All things considered, the BLACK+DECKER BD-CRO-20C amplifies your sanding operations with extra facilities and meets every need. Would you like to have a cordless impact driver with fastening solution and extra torque? Then have a look at the Makita XDT14Z, a competent power tool that has superior power for all your related jobs. Powered by 18-volt LXT compact lithium-ion batteries, along with a BL brushless motor, this driver delivers 3,600 RPM of maximum speed and 1,550 inch-pounds of maximum torque. As a result, you'll be able to have precision fastening features. One of the unique features of this driver is its quick-shift 3-speed power selection switch, which provides you precise fastening control for a wide range of applications. This driver has a tightening mode for faster tightening of self-drilling screws and extreme protection technology. After all, you can complete all kinds of fastening or tightening operations precisely with this Makita XDT14Z impact driver. Now at number 1, we've got the SKIL CR540602 circular saw, a heavy-duty cutting tool for both DIY projects and commercial use. It includes a 2 amp hour Power Core 20 lithium battery with an innovative temperature management system that keeps the battery cool and powering on through your project. Containing a powerful motor, this circular saw can reach up to 4,500 RPM of speed, which will help you complete your wood cuttings and DIY jobs effortlessly. This tool is equipped with a thin kerf and carbide tip blade, which has 24 teeth and a saw-line visor, so you can get fast, accurate, and straight cuts. Moreover, there's a bevel cutting capacity from 0 to 50 degrees, which means you can have the most common cut angles easily. Overall, if you're a professional carpenter or in need of a convenient circular saw for indoor or outdoor purposes, you must get yourself a SKIL CR540602. So that was our list of the 10 best cordless power tools just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.